What's up, guys? We have a zenfox T3 third channel camera system, dash cam. I'm going to connect it to the camera. This is the live view, the front camera, and that's the rear. I'm sorry. I'm going to click here, and then that's the front, and then you got the inside too, because it has an inside camera right here on top for the back seats. It's got the one in the front for the front view, and then we went ahead and installed the one at the rear, at the center, the top of the glass for the rear. All the wires are ran professionally. You don't see any of the wires. We try to make everything look as factory as possible. When you buy these cameras, you do have to buy the hardwire kit. That way you don't do a cigarette lighter job, which I don't recommend. And then that one has the hardwire kit has a little module that way it has parking mode. That way when you turn off the car, it stays on until the voltage drops 11 point something, and then it will shut off the camera. That way you don't wake up with a dead battery. That's what the box looks like. This customer gave us a call, and he talked about getting this thing done. He had another dash cam he didn't like too much. He did a lot of research, and he kind of liked this one. So we went ahead and installed it for him. It has infrared interior camera, it's HD. It does Wi-Fi to your phone, so you can pretty much pick up your videos from Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi and retrieve them. Okay, these are all the features it has, and I believe it has GPS too. And then if you click here, you can download the app for your smartphone. Basically, you can come down here and hit this folder, and you can see all the videos, and you can play them back if you want. We can play this one back. So we'll do this one. Start recording. And then pretty much you can play back all your videos. Okay. That's pretty much it. This is a very nice camera. We also do black view. We do thinkware. Those are the three cameras I like. I've never seen this one before, and he went ahead and introduced this to us. He bought it, and he said, he did a lot of reviews, and for what he wants, it's a 3-channel. He wants to be able to record the back seats when he picks up passengers sometimes, and also the rear and the front. So this is an option for those who are looking for a dash cam. We thank you for watching this video. If you picked up one of these dash cams and you live in Miami, Florida, or Homestead or Fort Lauderdale, and you would like for us to come out and do the installation, don't hesitate. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video. These type of vehicles, you have to run the wire. Whenever you have a hatchback job, you kind of have to we always run the wire through the rubber boot. That way you don't see any of the wires. So you don't see anything like coming out through here, like a wire like that. We have to take this apart, this whole panel apart, and then run the wires through the rubber boot. That way everything comes out like factory. Oh, we forgot to take off this little guy here. This little tape here. The window was kind of seen a little blurry. There. Alright. Yeah. Alright, this is concludes the installation. I wanted to show you the rear. Our numbers again are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.